All right, it's 7:15 in the morning. We are about to hike the Beehive Trail for the third time in 3 years. We were really hoping to do Precipice. It's August 8th, but the trail is not open yet. So we're definitely gonna have to come back and do that one. So on to plan B. We're gonna do Beehive again, but I can't be too upset about that. How come everything we do always winds up having a warning sign?
No waivers.
No waivers, just a warning sign. You can't really see it too great on the GoPro, but we have our first aerial view of Sand Beach right now, and we're starting to head up into the fun part of this hike. And we just got to the rungs. Time to climb.
A lot easier than the last time we were here.
This is so much fun.
More nimble than a baby giraffe. And this view though. Like a pro. Close to the top, right?
I think so.
This is much easier than last.
Gary's like 30 pounds lighter than the last time he did this hike, so he is breezing through.
I really am though.
We officially made it to the Beehive Summit. This hike was too short. I think we're gonna go back down and do it again.
It was short though.
We just left the top of Beehive and now we're gonna take the Bull Trail back down to the bottom. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna do next today. We've already been here 3 years ago, so we're thinking about checking out Jordan's Pond, Cadillac Mountain, Otter Cliffs, a couple other things, because we love Acadia.
And Bahaba.
And Bahaba. We just made it to the bowl and we're headed down to the base of the lake and then eventually back to the beginning of the trail. This is so beautiful. We made it!
We made it.
Back to the beginning. Woo! We are walking out onto Sand Beach right now. Sand Beach is absolutely beautiful. I almost just got my sneakers soaked. That wouldn't have been good. We just arrived at Thunder Hole. It looks pretty calm right now, but we'll take a walk down, see if it starts to get crazy. I remember we caught some really cool waves that came up the last time we were here. Whoa. Off to Jordan Pond. Check out this view. This is absolutely incredible. I was super excited to come back here, and now I see why.
Should I pick him up?
No.
We found a snake on the trail.
Terribly poisonous, yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah, go back in the grass. We're just hiking around the Jordan Pond path for a little bit. We're really excited to go to the Jordan Pond House for lunch. They open at 11 and they have these things called popovers that are mind-blowingly amazing. And we're a little hungry, so we're very excited for that. So we're at the Jordan Pond House restaurant. We got an awesome view of the lake from the restaurant, and I have lobster roll, a popover, and blueberry lemonade. So we are very happy right now. Woo! We're at the top of Cadillac Mountain right now. Along with everyone else in the world.